Hey guys, so just did a cold start video on all these lawnmowers, so I'm going to do this video. I'm going to run all three of them at the same time. I finally got this piece of shit running, and so I'm only going to let them all run just for a few seconds because it'll be real loud. Don't want to piss the neighbors off, if you know what I mean. So I'll start with this mower, and then that one, and then finally that one. Get the camera position where you can be able to see all of them. There we go. Alright. I had this thing running for maybe several minutes. It should start right back up. Well, there you go. They're all running. Well, now let's shut them down. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty loud, but they actually sound pretty good together. Kind of a nice little harmony there. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.